Forex trading is like a money game for beginners. It's where people buy and sell different types of money, and things happening around the world can change how much money is worth. Before you start playing, you need to know some basic stuff. So how does money really work in this big game? And why does it sometimes go up or down? In today's video, we're exploring the cool world of Forex trading, where different kinds of money do a dance on the global stage. Super excited to help you understand the basics of Forex trading. It's like going on a fun money adventure and here to show you the ropes. So get ready for a cool journey with me. What is Forex trading? In the world of money, Forex is like a busy meeting place for different currencies. It's where they swap and trade, making things happen globally for businesses, trade deals, and even people going on vacations. Think of it as the heart that keeps money moving around the world. A report from 2022 showed that every day, a hopping $7.5 trillion worth of currencies change hands in this Forex market. This is a massive number and shows how important Forex is in connecting countries and making sure money keeps flowing. It's like the engine that keeps the world's financial systems running smoothly. Understanding Forex isn't just about big numbers. It's about knowing how these exchanges impact economies worldwide. It's like the secret language that keeps the global economy moving forward. The Forex market basics. Forex is like a big marketplace where countries trade their money. What's cool is that it's always open, 24 hours a day, 5.5 days a week. But it's not a regular market with a building. It's all online. Imagine it as a global dance where different cities like Frankfurt, Hong Kong, London, New York, Paris, Singapore, Sydney, Tokyo, and Zurich take turns leading. They each have their own time to shine, and it keeps going in a loop. It's not just about money changing hands. It's like a big continuous dance that keeps the world's economy moving. Understanding Forex isn't just about numbers. It's about feeling the rhythm of this worldwide financial dance and how each city brings its own beat to the music. Currency pairs and trading. In the world of Forex, currencies team up like dance partners. They form pairs like EUR/USD or GBP/USD, where one currency is like the lead and the other follows. Knowing about these pairs is like learning the steps to a dance. It's essential for moving smoothly in the market. What's interesting is that Forex comes in different forms. There's the spot market, which is like cash transactions, and then there are derivatives like forwards, futures, options, and currency swaps. It's like a diverse playground with different games for everyone. So entering the Forex world isn't just about numbers. It's like joining a dance with various moves, each offering a unique rhythm for traders to explore and enjoy. Why trade Forex? Traders are drawn to Forex like bees to honey, and why wouldn't they be?
It's like a Swiss Army knife for navigating the financial world. Forex serves as a shield against risks tied to global currencies and interest rates, providing traders a way to protect their assets. Beyond that, it's a stage for speculation, where traders can make moves based on geopolitical events. It's like a chessboard where every move counts. Traders also see Forex as a palette for diversifying their portfolios, spreading their investments like colors on a canvas. The flexibility and endless opportunities in Forex create a magnetic pull, making it not just a financial tool, but a captivating space where traders can express their strategies and chase financial victories. The mechanics of Forex trading. Unlocking the mechanics of Forex trading is like deciphering a fascinating code to financial participation. While it used to be the playground of big banks and institutions, the internet has democratized the game, welcoming everyday individuals into the mix. Forex operates as a decentralized market, ditching the need for physical hubs in favor of a vast network of trading terminals and computer connections. It's like transforming a closed-off club into an inclusive gathering where everyone can take a seat. Now, you and I have a spot at the table, navigating the world of Forex right from our screens, making it not just a market, but a space where personal financial stories unfold.
Types of markets. Forex offers various markets, primarily spot, forwards, and futures. The spot market, driven by supply and demand, is the largest. In this bustling financial landscape, the spot market acts as the vibrant heart, pulsating with the movements of currencies based on immediate supply and demand dynamics. It's like a bustling square in the middle of the Forex universe, where currencies engage in a lively dance influenced by the forces of the market. On the flip side, the forwards and futures markets play a different role, attracting businesses and financial entities looking to navigate and secure their foreign exchange risks over a specified future date. It's akin to having distinct sections in a dynamic marketplace, each serving a unique purpose, making Forex a multifaceted and intriguing arena for various trading strategies. Trading instruments. Forex is like a big music concert where different parts of the band play various roles. In this concert, the spot market is where they play the music for what's happening right now. It's like the live performance of the currency world. Then there's the forwards, where they plan for future tunes through private agreements. It's like a quieter, more strategic melody. The futures, however, are the standardized beats traded on exchanges, giving structure to the overall music. Lastly, in the options market, they use contracts to create different notes, adding complexity to the performance. All these parts together make Forex not just a market, but a musical blend of financial notes that traders play with skill and intuition. How to start trading Forex. Ready to dip your toes into Forex trading? Here's a roadmap to kickstart your journey. Learn the basics, set up a brokerage account, develop a trading strategy, stay on top of your numbers, and cultivate emotional equilibrium. It's not just about making trades. It's about mastering the art and science of Forex. Basic Forex trading strategies. Now, let's talk about strategies. From long and short trades to technical analysis-based approaches like breakout and moving averages, there's a strategy for every trader. Whether you're into scalp trades lasting seconds, day trades, swing trades, or long-term position trades, Forex accommodates a spectrum of trading styles. Charts used in Forex trading. In Forex, charts are like stories about how currencies move. There are different types. Line charts show the big picture, bar charts give more details, and candlestick charts use shapes and colors to show insights. These charts help traders understand what's happening in the market. It's like reading a book about currency, where each chart type tells a different part of the story. Traders use these charts to make smart decisions, like predicting what might happen next in the exciting world of currency trading. It's a bit like being a detective, looking for clues in the charts to understand the language of the market. Pros and cons of trading Forex. Let's weigh the pros and cons of entering the Forex arena. From its status as the largest daily trading volume market to its 24/5 availability, Forex offers unparalleled liquidity and accessibility. However, leverage can introduce volatility, and a deep understanding of economic fundamentals is crucial. It's a decentralized market, offering freedom but also posing challenges for regulation. Are Forex markets volatile? Are Forex markets a roller coaster ride? Well, it depends. While Forex is among the most liquid markets globally, factors like economic instability can inject volatility. Understanding the dynamics of currency values and the impact of external events is key to navigating the ebb and flow of the Forex tide. Forex market regulation. Regulation is the backbone of any financial market. In Forex, the level of regulation varies by jurisdiction. The U.S., for instance, tightly regulates Forex through the National Futures Association, NFA, and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC. Understanding the regulatory landscape is vital for traders venturing into the Forex realm. Which currencies can I trade? Entering the vast world of Forex trading is like exploring a currency buffet, and the US dollar stands in the spotlight as the main attraction. It's the superstar, paired up in 6 of the 7 most liquid currency pairs, making it a dominant force in the market. However, the tradability of a currency depends on its liquidity, determining how easily it can be traded in large amounts. It's a bit like choosing from a menu. Some currencies are the main course, while others might be more like side dishes. Understanding the dynamics of these currencies is crucial for traders, akin to knowing the key players in a game. It's not just about numbers on a screen. It's about recognizing the personalities and strengths of each currency in the trading arena, creating a sense of strategy and anticipation for traders in this dynamic and ever-evolving financial stage. And there you have it. a thorough expedition into the captivating world of Forex trading. Whether you're a beginner setting foot on this financial journey or an experienced trader seeking insights, I hope this guide has been enlightening. If you found value in this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more content, and share it with your fellow trading enthusiasts. Until next time, happy trading, stay informed, and may your Forex journey be prosperous. Cheers!